to play with maths, and you will learn everything about maths by you will know magic to do how to do magic with your fingers in with very little steps, easy steps. So we welcome all the students for this webinar. We want to we know things are very bad around, but at the same time we want to make sure everybody is safe. Please wear your mask when you go out or step out. Please don't step out, but if you step out, please wear your mask and always wash your hands at all times. Currently our trainers are all in their respective rooms, and hence they are not wearing masks. So let us start the event. For today's event, Dr. Parameshwari is our lead trainer. So I want to give a small brief about Dr. Parameshwari. So Dr. Parameshwari is founder and creator of BrainCarve Educare India Private Limited. She's a certified trainer, worked with several top MNCs, grooming qualified trainers in abacus, Vedic maths, and other memory techniques. She has written 10 plus children books on mental mathematics and memory. She has attended several international conferences on stress management and is an aggregated member with International Stress Management Association. She's worked as a professor of information studies at Madurai Kamaraj University. She has a doctorate in information studies, and she was also an instigator for MPhil and PhD students. So Dr. Parveshwari was awarded Best Women Entrepreneur in the field of education by Entrepreneur Council of India, and so on and so forth. So we have a long list to welcome our speaker, Dr. Parameshwari. This is, I think, the fourth or fifth session with Ananda Vigadan. I want to give a small brief about Ananda Vigadan. Ananda Vigadan is the #1 magazine based out of Chennai. It's a Tamil magazine, and we have it's a 95-year-old organization, and you can connect with us in our website www.vigadan.com. And here we go. Let's start today's session. Children, one request students is உங்களோட questions எல்லாம் வந்து டவுட் இருந்தா chatல போடுங்க, but don't put everything in between. We will have a mix of English and Tamil. So hope everybody is okay to have English and Tamil together, or you guys want only Tamil. So whoever wants a session in Tamil, please type Tamil in the chat window. Whoever wants English, you can type English in the chat window. Okay, we have English, Tamil, English, Tamil. So luckily our trainer, Dr. Parameshwari, is an expert in both languages, so she'll be communicating. We also welcome Mr. Pradeep, the director of BrainCarve, who's also going to help us with a few mathematics. So here we go, ma'am. Over to you, ma'am and Pradeep. So children, any doubts, please chat window la podunga, and please wait. You part type பண்ணிட்டே இருக்காதீங்க போதும். And one more thing I want to ask to students is please type your location. எந்த சிட்டில இருந்து நீங்க ஜாயின் பண்ணிருக்கீங்க? If it's சென்னை, தமிழ்நாடுல வேற ஏதாவது சிட்டில இருக்கீங்களான்னா type your city. எந்த சிட்டில இருந்து you have joined? எந்த city? We have people from Indore, Kuwait, Bangalore, Coimbatore, Karaikudi, Bangalore, Malaysia, Angayam, Madurai, Panipat, Madurai, Sharjah, Dubai. Very good. We have some students from outside the country as well. Perfect. Okay, done. So let's start the session, ma'am. Over to you, Pradeep and Dr. Parameshwari. The floor is yours. We welcome you for this amazing 2-day session. And here you go, ma'am.
Okay, good evening all. So this is Pradeep. I'm the trainer of this BrainCarve program, and we are going to do a small magic session. And before that, I like to tell you what is this program is all about. So this is we are going to focus from BrainCarve program, and I'll tell you basic things what is BrainCarve is all about. Okay. So what is brain? How many brains we have? How many brains we have? Do we have brains? Okay, one brain, one brain, one brain. Only one brains? 2, 3, 3, 2. Okay. So we have one brain which has two sides. Okay. So in this, so have you seen the brain? How it will be in a picture or something? பார்த்திருக்கீங்களா brain எப்படி இருக்கும் பார்த்திருக்கீங்களா? So it will be like walnut. If you seen walnut, it will be in the same shape. If you see a full walnut, ஒரு full walnut பார்த்தீங்கன்னா it will be in the same shape. அதே மாதிரி தான் இருக்கும். And as I told you, we have one brain which has two sides. So இதுல left and right. So இதுல which part of the brain we are using? Left or right? Left or right? Which part of the brain we are using? Both. Okay, right. Both, right, left. Okay. So now I'll tell you which part of the brain, I'll tell you what is the function of each part of the brain. Then you can tell me which part we are using. Okay. So this left brain focus on studies, logical, math, and sports. Okay. So this right brain focus on imagination, intuition, art, and creativity. Okay. So இப்ப சொல்லுங்க, which part of the brain we are using mostly, left or right? Left, right? Because we focus, we study in school, we do logical activities, we have a math activity, we have a sports. Do we have any period for imagination in the school? ஸ்கூல்ல நீங்க உட்கார்ந்து யோசிக்கலாம் அப்படின்னு சொல்லி ஒரு பீரியட் எதனா கொடுக்குறாங்களா? இல்ல. So foreign countries, மற்ற கண்ட்ரீஸ்ல எல்லாம் பாத்தீங்கன்னா they will have one period, ஒரு பீரியட் வந்து brain like imaginationக்குன்னு ஒன்று கொடுத்துருவாங்க. ஸோ இதில் வந்து நிறைய லைக் யூ கேன் திங்க் அண்ட் ரைட் சம்திங், யூ கிரியேட் சம்திங் ஆர் டூ சம்திங் நியூ ஆர் இன்னோவேட்டிவாக எதனா புதுசாக எதனா பண்ணுறதா இருந்தால் அந்த பீரியட் யூஸ் பண்ணிப்பாங்க. ஓகே. ஸோ நெக்ஸ்ட் வந்து இன்ட்யூஷன். வாட் இஸ் இன்ட்யூஷன்? எனி ஐடியா? இன்ட்யூஷன். Intuition is something like நான் நடக்கும்னு நினைச்சேன் அதே மாதிரி நடந்துருச்சு. இன்னைக்கு நான் ஸ்கூல்ல இருந்து வரும்போது என் ரிலேட்டிவ்ஸ் இல்லை என் கசின்ஸ் யாருன்னா வீட்டுக்கு வந்திருப்பாங்கன்னு நினைச்சேன், வீட்டில் வந்து பார்த்தா அதே மாதிரி இருக்காங்க. And today I thought my dad will get me a chocolate when he come back from the office. And when he entered the home, I saw he got me a chocolate something. So like this, the positive or a negative thing, like a negative thing, like I thought today when I take a cycle, I thought I might fell down somewhere. அதே மாதிரி நடந்துக்கும். Okay, so like this we have certain incidents which might happen. Before it happens we will be able to predict, so that is called prediction. So this is called intuition. So who can predict your future? நாளைக்கு நடக்க போறது இன்னைக்கே யாரால சொல்ல முடியும்? ஸோ சுவாமிஜி, சீதாஜிஸ் அவங்கெல்லாம் இருப்பாங்க. ஸோ அவங்கெல்லாம் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா they have already exercised the right brain activities and so they meditate and they do more activities to activate the right brain. பட் நம்மளால போய் இப்போ ஹிமாலயாஸ்ல போய் உட்காந்து நம்ம மெடிடேட் பண்ண முடியுமா? முடியாது. ஸோ லைக் திஸ் we have certain power, we can activate this intuition power. Okay, so everybody have, but we are not activating much like that. Okay, so next one is art. What is art? What is art? Drawing. See, drawing is not only art. Art is we have more activities comes under art. Dance is art, music is art, and drawing is art, or something like singing. நிறைய activities, நிறைய things which comes under this art activity. Okay. So next one is creativity. What is creativity? What is creativity? Creating something new. What is creating something new? நம்ம புதுசா எதனா கிரியேட் பண்ணலாம். லைக் ஒரு பென்சிலை வச்சு நம்ம பென்சில் கிராஃப்ட் பண்ணலாம், இல்லை ஒரு வேஸ்ட் மெட்டீரியல்ஸ் வச்சு ஆர்ட் அண்ட் கிராஃப்ட் பண்ணலாம், இல்லை ஒரு ஸ்டோரி கிரியேட் பண்ணலாம், ஒரு மியூசிக் நோட்ஸ் கிரியேட் பண்ணலாம், நம்மளா ஒரு சாங் கிரியேட் பண்ணலாம், நம்மளா ஒரு போயட் கிரியேட் பண்ணலாம். ஸோ வாட் எவர் வி டூ சம்திங் நியூ innovatively, that is called creativity. Okay, so as I told you, we are activating only this left brain in schools, and we are not giving any activities towards this right brain. So now in this session, like a brain cow beginning session, so this is called brain cow program. Okay, so in the brain cowல தான் நம்ம இப்போ 6 techniques நம்ம மூலமா நம்ம both the brain எப்படி activate both part of the brain எப்படி activate பண்ணலாம்ன்றத பார்க்க போறோம். So அதுல வந்து first நம்ம பார்க்க போறது magic fingers. Okay. So let's get into that. So you like magic? Everybody like magic? Yes? You love magic? Yes? Yes? Show me, yes. So do you know any magic? No? Okay, I'll show you some magic. Okay. Okay, now show me your right hand up. நம்ம வார்ம் அப் பண்ண போறோம், எக்ஸசைஸ் பண்ண போறோம். ஓகே, ரெடி? நல்லா ஆக்டிவா உட்காருங்க. சார் மாதிரி நல்லா கரெக்டா உட்காருங்க. ரெடி? எக்ஸசைஸ் பண்ண போறோம். ஓகே, show me your right hand up. நல்லா up, left, right, left, right, left, left. Ah, so those who made wrong. Okay, show me your right hand up. Now tell me how many fingers you have. Show me your hands. Show me fingers. Yeah, 10, right? So how many numbers you can show with the 10 fingers? How many numbers you can show with the 10 fingers? 10 only, right? But I'm going to show you 99 numbers with the 10 fingers. Are you ready? So that's why it's called as magic fingers. உங்க விரல்லே நம்ம magic பண்ண போறோம். Okay? Okay, now show me your right hand. Close your fingers. Keep your thumb inside. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. This is school 5, we know, right? So this is school 5. But the magic is here. In this magic fingers, the thumb alone takes a value of 5. Okay? Ready? We'll do again. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We'll do faster. Once again. 0, 1. See, you should use right hand. Number 1. Number 2, keep the thumb inside when you start. Number 3, you should start from the index finger. Clear? Akshara, use your right hand, not the left hand. Okay, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, and you have to keep the hands like this. Okay, so how God will bless you? Like this, no? Aishman Baba. So like this, you can close your fingers. So you all God, you are going to bless me. Okay. Okay. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. 0. We'll do again. 1, 2. No, Shailendra, you have to start from the index finger. I told you, right? Shailendra. Yeah, start from the index finger. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, now show me your show me 2. Which is 2? 4. Which is 4? This is 4, right? 5. No, this is 9. This is 5. Thumbs up. Okay. Show me 9. 9. 5. 9. Okay. So we are going to do addition subtraction with this. Okay. So in this magic finger, we are able to do 1 to 99 addition subtraction very faster without a calculator or pen, anything. Okay. We can do faster. Okay. Now we'll do a small addition subtraction with this. Okay. Show me 2 plus 2 plus 5 minus 3 minus 3 minus from the little finger minus 3 minus 5 minus 1 plus 4 plus 5 minus 6 minus 2 Answer is 1. So நம்ம ஒரு 10 numbers call பண்ணிருப்போமா 10 to 15 numbers இதே நம்ம ஸ்கூல்ல பண்றது வந்து எப்படி பண்ணோம் 2 in the mind 3 in the finger after 2 3 4 இப்படி ஸ்லோவா போமா so we will be having 10 numbers na அந்த 10 number இப்படியே பண்ணும் but இங்க magic fingerல like 2 plus 2 plus 5 minus 3 minus 5 minus 1 plus 4 plus 5 minus 6 minus 2 minus 1 answer is 0 so you can do very faster without using pencil or calculator okay okay now let's move to the left hand 10 வரை 9 வரைக்கும் பார்த்தோம்ல இப்போ 10s பார்க்கலாம் okay left hand 0 10 20 30 40 50 60 70 80 90 okay so 90 plus 9 99 நீங்க பேசினா எனக்கு கேட்காது ஆனா வாயாசிக்கலாமே நீங்க பேசினா வீட்ல பேசக்கூடாது சொல்லிருக்காங்களா you can talk right you can say right yeah you can say how much it is I can read your lip movement yeah 99 okay 0 very good நல்லா கத்துங்க சாரு வீட்டுக்கு எல்லாருக்கும் கேட்கணும் சாரு okay okay now show me 11 22 33 44 55 66 77 88 99 42 இதுக்கு மேல நான் காட்ட மாட்டேன் 55 நீங்க தான் காட்டணும் 44 35 very good Janani 35 Prakash நீ 53 காட்டுற show me 35 30 in the left hand 5 in the right hand 35 64 60 in the left hand Rasmia you are showing vice versa 64 show me 60 in the left hand yeah 4 in the right hand Santosh you are showing opposite way 46 show 60 in the left hand and right hand 4 okay so we don't have much time let me cover a little faster okay show me 11 plus 55 plus 22 minus 55 minus 11 plus 2 plus 20 plus 2 plus 50 plus 5 minus 44 the answer is 55 okay so நம்ம வந்து இப்போ நான் மேஜிக் ஃபிங்கர்ல வந்து ஒரு 0.5 தான் சொல்லியிருக்கேன் அதுல 100 இருக்குன்னா ஒரு 0.5 தான் நான் சொல்லியிருக்கேன் so we have more we can do faster and we can do addition subtraction between 99 numbers very faster okay so end of the session I'll give you one worksheet you can do that and you can submit me back okay ready okay now so the next technique is memory okay so what is memory what is memory what do you do with memory remember store things store in the mind I did not understand okay storing something in brain store all things in storage okay only for storage storage information எப்படி கொண்டு போறது only storage மட்டும் பண்ணா போதுமா after that when we need it we have to recall it right so when you study that is enough you don't need to recall during the examination when you need it we need to recall it right yes or no yes or no yes okay now so we have two things in memory okay what is it I'll just show you so memory அப்படினு எடுத்தோம்னா இது வந்து two things இருக்கு ஒன்னு வந்து ரெஜிஸ்டர் பண்ணனும் அதாவது இன்ஃபர்மேஷனை நம்ம ரெஜிஸ்டர் பண்றோம் ஓகே நெக்ஸ்ட் வந்து ரீகால் பண்ணனும் so ரெஜிஸ்டர் பண்றது எப்படி ரெஜிஸ்டர் பண்ணுவோம் how will you register the information through which source what are the things you store You said you store, okay, and how you store? What are the things you store? Whatever we see, we store. Yes, whatever we hear. So when teacher takes teach you something orally, we'll listen and we can store it, right? Okay. Next one, by tasting. Even though if I close your eyes and if I feed you ice cream, you can identify what taste it is, right? What flavor it is, right? Yes or no? Is it a strawberry flavor or vanilla flavor? Butterscotch ice cream mattum nalla theriyum. So we can identify through tasting sense, listening sense, and by seeing, by smelling sense. வீட்டுக்குள்ள போகும்போது wow, mommy is preparing biryani, is it not? So it's vegetable biryani, delicious food, lunch ready ஆயிடுச்சு அப்படின்னு all that. So smelling sense. And the last one is hitting sense. If someone hits you, or you can touch and feel, what is that? So that is called touching sense. Okay. So all the information through the five sense, we can store the information and recall it. So now the thing is, so during the examination, we study more, right? We register the information more. And when you go and recall during the examination, we will get some problem. What is that? When you recall, you will face one problem, right? What is that? What is happening around? What is the problem you face? Yes, forget. Okay. Why we forget? Tell me why. Why we forget? Can you tell me what is the reason or factors for forgetting? Sleeping now. My God, don't know. Forget. Why we forget? Because we don't recall it often. Exactly. So revision of the things is more important. So if you didn't revise what you do, you will lose the information. And what else? We will confuse. Yeah, of course. If you study in the last minute, no cramming. நாளைக்கு எக்ஸாம் வச்சுட்டு இன்னைக்கு உட்காந்து படிச்சேன்னா நம்மளுக்கு எதுவுமே மண்டையில் நிற்காது. So that is called cramming and you will get confused. So not registering properly. That is what why? Because we are not concentrating much on the concepts. Okay? And we are not listening to the teachers. So we have more factors. Okay, now let's do a small test, memory test. Okay? So on the memory test வந்து okay, I'll tell you 10 words. Okay, you guys register more information, right? Like a 2 paragraph, 3 paragraph plus school la padikrom. Now verum 10 words. I'm just going to tell you 10 words, and I want you all to recall the 10 words in the same order. Okay, ready? Ready? And you should not take note of it. Just listen, and you have to recall it. Okay, ready? Yes? Say yes. No reaction. No reaction. Come on. Okay. Okay, ready for the test? So, 1 pencil, 2 duck, 3 heart, 4 chair, 5 hook, 6 spoon, 7 flag, 8 cat, 9 hand fan, 10 bat and ball. Okay. Now, I want you all to take your rough note and write whatever I said and tell me how many words you recall. Come on. Fast, fast, fast. Make it fast. A bit difficult to remember. It's all simple words, no? Just 10 words. What is this? Three words. Diti, oh, you got 3 words only. Divakar, 3. Don't type the answers here. Others will see. If they remember 5 words, they will add yours also. Become blurry. 10 words. Okay, then I'll call out Raghava. Raghava. Where's Raghava? Raghava, I unmuted you. You can tell me the 10 words, whatever you remember. Okay, anybody ready with 10 words? Only 3 you remember? Oh my God. Okay, now whatever I said, you listen through your left brain. Now let's use our right brain to remember the words. Then I'll prove you how strong, how powerful your right brain is. Okay, ready? Okay, now. So if I teach this method, no, next time when you remember, you will not forget this 10 words for next 1 week or 10 days or 1 month also. You can store this information. Okay, ready? So one. So what is the word I said? Pencil. Okay, is this pencil looks like one? Now two. Duck. Is this ducks looks like two? And three. Three. Is this heart look like three? Four. Is this chair looks like four? Yeah. And five. Hook. What is hook? For fishing we use sickle, no? Hook, sorry, not sickle. Hook, or to hang something, or to hang your fan, home fan. Like six. Spoon. Seven. Flag. Can you see flag? 7 from this flag? 8. Cats. Okay, 9. Hand fan. What is hand fan? விசிறி. கரண்ட் போச்சுன்னா எடுத்து வீசுவோம்ல விசிறி. அதான். Hand fan. 10. Bat and ball. So I'm going to rub this. Look at this picture for a while. And bat and ball. Oh, sorry, bat கொஞ்சம் மோசமா போச்சு. அட்ஜஸ்ட் பண்ணிக்கோங்க. Okay. You don't need to copy this. Now you are copying to your brain. Now I'm going to remove this, close this. I give you 1 second time. Okay, 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Close. Now I'm going to unmute. Who is ready to tell me all the 10 words? Ready? Hands up. Who's ready? Okay, Saru ready? Okay, Saru, tell me.
Yes. One pencil.
Okay.
What? Yes.
What happened? Yeah, tell me.
One pencil, two duck, three heart, four chair,
5. How the 5 was? What shape it is? 5. இப்படி இருந்ததா? ஷேப் மட்டும் ஞாபகம் இருக்குல்ல? Hook. Hook. Okay, 6. What is for 6? Okay, let's take give us some more time. Okay. Okay, now Nitila, ready?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, tell me. Close your book.
Six.
No, start from the
spoon.
beginning. Start from the beginning.
Okay, sir. One pencil, two duck, three. One pencil, two duck, three heart, four chair, 5 hook, 6 spoon, 7 flag, 8 cat, 9 hand fan, 10 bat and ball.
Very good. So you can clap like this. Okay? Clap for her. Come on. Yes. Okay, this is audio claps. Okay. Okay, fine. So I know you everybody can answer like this, and everybody remember this. So every night you just before going to the bed, close your eyes and recall all the 10 words, and I guarantee you can remember this for next 6 months also. If you remember for just 3 days practice. Okay. Every night you just recall this 10 words and sleep, and you can recall this. You can remember this for next 6 months. Okay, because we have used your right brain. So the right brain likes colors, pictures, imagination and moving objects. So இந்த நாலு விஷயம் சேர்ந்த ஒரு கண்டென்ட் இருந்ததுன்னா அது வந்து ரைட் பிரெயினுக்கு ரொம்ப பிடிக்கும். அப்படியே பிடிச்சி எல்லாத்தையும் மண்டையிலே வச்சுக்கும். நம்மளுக்கு இந்த சின்ன வயசுல பார்த்த கார்ட்டூன் எல்லாம் ஞாபகம் இருக்குல்ல? இருக்கா? We remember all the cartoon, our favorite cartoon, He-Man. Oh, sorry, you are in the different age group, right? So what are the cartoons, like what are the things you like? Okay, we can remember all that, no? Because the cartoon has colors, pictures, imagination and moving objects. But what we studied yesterday or today morning, we are not able to do memorize, right? We are not able to recall what we studied in the last minute also, because the content doesn't have the 4 things what the right brain likes. Okay. Okay, yeah, Tom and Jerry from the 90s kids. I am from little before 90s kids. Okay. So I too like Tom and Jerry, Doraemon, Shinchan. Okay, fine. I know your favorites. Okay, let's move on. Okay, now we are going to learn a Vedic Max, and the creator and founder Dr. Parameshwari ma'am is going to teach you the wonderful technique, and it's so easy to memorize and easy to do the max faster without steps. So that is magic math. Okay, I hand over to ma'am.
Hi all, and thank you Pradeep and Preetham for making this happen today. And that's a good introduction from you, Pradeep, on magic fingers and the memory technique. So BrainCarve as such has 6 techniques together as one course, where Pradeep can show the slides after I finish talking. So BrainCarve வந்து 6 techniques உள்ளது. அதுல Pradeep Kumar sir வந்து has told you about magic fingers and memory. நான் உங்களுக்கு கணக்கு இனி கசக்காது அப்படின்ற தலைப்புல தான் பேச போறேன், ரைட்? ஸோ கணக்கு கசக்காது அப்படின்றது மேஜிக் ஃபிங்கர்ஸ்லேயே பார்த்தீங்க. He showed you magic fingers, right? 2 plus 2 plus 5 minus 3 minus 1 plus 4 minus 6 minus 1. So you call lots of numbers, you can do it fastly. So magic fingers என்றது இந்த 10 fingers வச்சு maths எவ்வளோ ஈஸியா பண்ணலாம் அப்படின்றது தான். So that is also one way of கணக்கு இனி கசக்காதுக்கு ஒரு answer. Even a UKG child can do math fast. Magic fingers la first class first session they'll start doing math easily. So hopefully, like I think everybody likes math. illa ethana perku math pidikadu appadinu kekradhoda we will make math very interesting, and ungalku pidikatna kuda innayila irundhu pidika aarambichirum. Oh, everybody likes it, I know. See, once your base math is very good, you will be good in all the subjects. Nee math nalla potingna ella subjectum nalla pannalam. This is the basic thing. So math la interest coming math pidikadundravanga indha mari math made easy subjects la velila vandu padichittu, then you can apply that in your academics. So இன்னைக்கு நான் சொல்லி கொடுக்க போறது Vedic Max. So எங்க இதுல பாத்தீங்கன்னா we have magic fingers, And then we have memory ரெண்டும் பிரதீப் குமார் கவர் பண்ணிட்டாரு. நான் இப்போ Vedic Maths பண்ண போறேன் உங்களுக்கு கூட, very fast math. And then we have, other than that, we have thinking technique, and then yes, personality development and abacus. Maybe we can touch it in the next session next week. அதை வச்சுக்கலாம். அல்லது Pradeep, after, if time permits, Pradeep will show you what this thinking technique is. Okay, so இது வரைக்கும் நடத்தின எல்லாமே புரிஞ்சுச்சா? Thumbs up please if you understand. Thumbs up coming in. Thumbs up. Yes. So now Vedic Maths போலாமா? Are you ready? Okay. Now BrainCarve அப்படின்ற ஒரு கம்பெனியோட ஓனர் ஃபவுண்டர் அப்படின்னு I'm sitting here. I'm Dr. Parameshwari. See, everything needs practice. Everything needs sincerity, dedication. So இப்போ நான் சொல்லி தரத நீ எவ்வளவு தூரம் கவனிக்க போறியோ அவ்வளவு தூரம் புரியும். So be with me. And it is just half an hour to understand a few techniques in Vedic Maths. I'm going to teach you, which you can apply in your regular math also as well. Okay, so நல்ல ஜாலியா இருக்கும், ஈஸியா இருக்கும். பாருங்க, நான்லாம் உங்க வயசுல இருக்கும் போது ரொம்ப நல்லா படிச்சு வந்ததுனால தான் இன்னைக்கு ஒரு கம்பெனி ஓனரா உட்கார்ந்திருக்கேன். I mean to say studies is very important, whatever it may be. So if a lockdown, I know you children are suffering, or I don't know whether you are enjoying online classes, but still, see, this is a Zoom class once again. So I think for another 1 year, we have to get along with this pandemic, and nobody has the answer when this pandemic will get over. So get used to this online courses and be happy with what you have. God bless all of us. Okay, now get into the Vedic Maths. I'm going to share a screen with you. Okay, now Vedic Maths. Let's start. How many of you know something about Vedic Maths? Any idea? You can put it in chat if you want. Okay. I think nobody is answering my question. யாருக்காச்சும் Vedic Maths பத்தி தெரியுமா?
Fastest maths.
Pradeep, is there any chat answers?
Yes, ma'am. They don't know. They have little, no idea.
Okay, no. So most of the answers are no. That's fine. So Vedic Maths has 16 sutras. We call it as, see, it is not formulas. It is called sutras. சூத்ராஸ்னா என்னன்னா ஃபார்முலாஸை தான் சூத்ராஸ்ன்றாங்க. 16 ஃபார்முலாவை வச்சு கண்டுபிடிச்ச ஒரு மேத்து தான் வேதிக் மேத்ஸ். அண்ட் அது எப்படின்னா இட் வாஸ் லைக் மேனுஸ்கிரிப்ட்ஸ், ஓலைச்சுவடிகள்ல இருந்தது. இட் இஸ் அன் ஏன்ஷியன் இந்தியன் மேத்தமேட்டிக்ஸ். அண்ட் அதை வந்து இப்போ நிறைய ஆத்தர்ஸ் புக்ஸா போட்டிருக்கிறாங்க. பட் நாங்க எங்களோட BrainCarveல எது குழந்தைங்களுக்கு academics-க்கு யூஸ் ஆகுமோ அது மட்டும் எடுத்து சொல்லி தரோம். And it is very easy to understand. It is an ancient Indian mathematics. நம்மளோடது. We must be very proud that it is Indian mathematics. What you are learning in school is some other mathematics, some other country mathematics. But Vedic Maths is நம்மளோட Indian mathematics. We don't know. Most of us don't know about Vedic Maths. I'm going to teach you today. Very simple. Now to start with, we need to know what is complements. So the first topic is complements. Okay, so complements na enna. Let's say it starts with Vedic Maths work around the bases, base 10, base 100, base 1000, like that it goes. I hope everybody is looking at the board and I am audible to you. So base 10, base 100, base 1000. So Vedic Maths works near base. Vedic Maths likes base. So first நம்ம topic cover பண்ண போறது வந்து base 10 பார்ப்போம் இன்னைக்கு. So that if you understand that, you can do base 100 and base 1000. So be with me. If you don't understand, you can just put your hands raised. And Pradeep can help me out to find out if everybody understanding. Pradeep and Selvi, you are inside. So, okay, now let's go. To understand base 10, we have to understand what is complements. Now, which two numbers makes 10? If I say 1, what number should we add to 1 to make it 10? Can you type?
9. Yeah, they are typing 9.
Yeah, okay. So 1 plus 9. 1 plus 9.
Click that.
1 plus 9 equals 10. Now let's go to 2. 2 plus what? Are they typing?
Yeah, yeah. 8.
2 plus 8 equals 10, like that. 3 plus 7 equals 10. Yeah. And then 4 plus 6 equals 10, right? So like that, we have 5 combinations of 10. So 5 plus 5 equals 10. So you should know only 5 combination, that is 1 and 9, 2 and 8, 3 and 7, 4 and 6, and 5 and 5. So if I ask you what is the complement of 1, abdina 9 abdi sollu. Okay, complement of 1 is 9. Complement of 2 is 8. Complement of 3 is 7. Complement of 4 is 6. Complement of 5 is 5. Okay, so that is all. So now I'm going to ask you like, what is the complement of, what's the complement of, say, 22? So how do you find this? How can you find the complement of 22? I said 1 to 9 and you are happy. So that is base 10. Now I'm moving to base 100. Complement of 22 can be got from 100 minus 22 is the answer. So 100 minus 22, how do you do 100 minus 22? Okay, so now let's see. Now it is called all from 9, lost from 10. So you take away this 1 and you have to deduct this 9. Okay, sorry, you have to deduct this 22. So now 9 minus 2 is 7, and 10 is 2's complement. You know what is it? Is 8. Okay, the answer is 78. Okay, let's do another problem. What is the complement of 47? If anybody has understood this, you have to deduct from 100. So you apply this 9 and 10 and give me the answer. So you have to minus this 4 from 9 and 7 from 10, and then that is the answer. Can you type it?
Yeah, they are typing 53.
Yeah, they are typing the answer correctly.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so those who doesn't understand can keep your hands raised so that I don't move on to the next digit. Keep your hands raised. Let me see.
Sangeet, you
Okay,
didn't understand, Sangeet?
Rasmiya, Devamitra, Shangit, Aradhana. You don't understand? Prakash? Prakash, give me a thumbs up if you understand, or if give a thumbs down if you
No,
don't
miss,
understand.
I understand. I understand.
Oh, good. Okay, so I couldn't see any hands up. Okay, now Subha is doing, yeah, Subha, I saw you. Yeah, you did this. Yes, I'm going to do more for you, Subha. right? Because don't worry, even if one child doesn't understand, we are not going to move forward, okay? So we have thumbs up in your, icons, emoticons itself, where you can just type it if you need
Sai Sri,
that.
what is your doubt? Do you have a doubt?
Santosh, yeah, I'm going to do again so you can look at it. நான் திருப்பி பண்ண போறேன், okay? திருப்பி பண்ண போறேன், listen to that. Now let me do a little bigger problem so that நம்ம ஒரு பெரிய சம்மா பண்ணலாம், ரொம்ப ஈஸியா புரிஞ்சுக்குவீங்க. இப்போ இது வந்து 100 base, சரியா? You are deducting it from 100. Now how about let's do a problem. Say, what is the complement of 2, 3, 4, 9, 8, 7, 6, whatever? I'm going to find the complement of this big number. You have to apply the formula all from 9 last from 10. This is one of the sutras in Vedic Maths. 16 sutras la now first sutra ungalku nadathittu. Okay, so all from 9 last from 10. Ellarum eludringla? Are you all writing? Yes. So don't think that you can keep everything in mind. Even this 1 hour class is very important for you, which you can just, because we are going to give you homework, Google Sheet homework கொடுக்க போறோம், அதனால எல்லாரும் காப்பி பண்ணிக்கங்க. Okay, now what is the complement of 2, 3, 4, 8, 7, 6? இது எப்படி பண்ணணும்? Apply all from 9 last from 10. Okay, so now I'm going to take, I have to decide the base for this now. Put zeros above these numbers. This is going to be base, what is this? Unit 10, 100,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. Oh my God. So it's a very big problem, but it's going to be very simple. பார்த்தா பெருசா தெரியுதுல்ல, ரொம்ப ஈஸியா பண்ணலாம். So நம்ம இப்போ all from 9 last from 10 apply பண்ண போறோம். So you take away this one. That means I'm borrowing this one and I'm going to write all from 9 and last from 10, right? Okay. Now, what is 9 minus 2? Actually, in school math, you will do this way, isn't it? We go from this way, but in Vedic maths, we are going left to right. Now, in the side, the answer is 9 minus 2, 7. 9 minus 3, even you can use your magic fingers. Pradeep sir solli kuttarla. 9 minus 2, 9 minus 3. I know 4th standard children ulla irkeenga nenikiren, 4th to 9th in the course if we are doing the seminar. So you can use your magic fingers even if you want to, if you don't know. 9 minus 2, 7. 9 minus 3, 6. 9 minus 4, 5. 9 minus 8, 1. 9 minus 7, 2. Right? So you can use even your magic fingers now. So 9 minus 3 is 6. 9 minus 4 is 5. 9 minus 8, 1. 9 minus 7, 2. And the last number is always the complement. It will take the complement. 6 complement is 4. I taught you complement just before. So the answer is 7, 6, 5, 1, 2, 4. You got it? Okay, now let's go to the next sum, even if you don't understand. Now, this is a big base. If you see, this is a 10 lakh base. You have learned immediately a 10 lakh base. Now, I'm going to give you a simple problem. Now, let me see. What is the complement of 72? You can write immediately. 400 and I want you to type it so that my people who are inside my team can check your answers. 465. What is the complement of 1964? Complement of 3, 6, 8, 7, 9, 2. Yes. So the heading, you have to take it as all from 9, last from 10. The heading of this session is all from 9, last from 10. You want me to type it again? Once you're done, we can move to the next thing. Sai Shri, are you doing? Sai Shri, yes. Good, good. Okay, have you all copied the thumb? Have you finished, Sai Shri? Have you come out with the answer? Can you type the answer? Are they typing, Pradeep Kumar?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Are they doing correctly?
Group class. Group class. Just reading my solution.
6310831, yeah. $28, 535, 8036. Yeah, fantastic. Correct answer. Yeah, you can type it as a, somebody typed it as a set and it is good, all correct. If I could name, yeah, correct.
Pritish
Aslam, Aradhana, yeah, right. 465 is 535, Santosh, yes, right. Srivasan, right. Nitila, right. Good. So we move on to the next one. Okay, now, anybody who wants more practice, somebody is telling, ma'am, can you, what? Can you, what? I don't understand, Rasmia. Rasmia, can you just unmute Rasmia? Shiva Ganesan? I want those people who doesn't understand to put your hands raised. Kaitukunga. And Pradeep, can you go around? We have Devamitra, Akhilan, Tivakar, I could see Abdul Rahman, Mridula. You don't understand, is it? Can you unmute? Can I unmute?
Yeah, Devamitra, what is your doubt?
Sir, why in that sum 2, 3, 4, 8, 7, 6 la நம்ம ஏன் 10 1 lakhs use பண்றோம் sir?
Yeah. Wait. Okay, now Devamitra and others, how will you decide the number of zeros for this sum? let me say 1. I start for 3, 1, 0, 6, 1, 0, 8, 1, 0, 7. I need a 0, 9, I need a 0, 2, I need a 0. This is how you fix the number of zeros. Okay, Devamudra. Now in the sum, this sum, I'm just giving, sorry. இந்த சம்முக்கு இந்த சம் இருக்குல்ல தேவமித்ரா, இதுக்கு நான் ஒரு பேஸ் எடுத்திருக்கேன். எப்படி எடுத்தேன் because I need a 0 for 3, I need a 0 for 6, I need a 0 for 8, I need a 0 for 7 and 9 and 2. So that becomes the base for this number. So how do you decide the base? Is according to the digits.
Yeah,
Suppose I have a 2-digit, okay? I want everybody to listen now. That is a good question. How will you decide the number of zeros? So 2 zeros for 72 is needed. That means it is 100 base. Okay, now for 465, how many zeros needed? 3 zeros. That
1000.
means base 1000. Okay, so that becomes base 1000. How many zeros needed here for 4 numbers?
10,000.
Yeah, very good. Very good. So that's how you fix the number of zeros. Okay?
Okay,
Are you
ma'am.
okay now, everybody?
Clear, ma'am.
Yeah. Now, anybody having another question? Let me see the raise hands. What is Muttamil Agilan? Mrudula? Anybody?
Ma'am, Akilan, ma'am.
Yeah, Agilan. Agilan, I want to see your face. I cannot answer anyone who is not showing the face. Sorry. Yes, Agilan.
How I'm not able to understand the magic fingers.
Oh, magic fingers, we will teach later. Now we are in Vedic Maths. If you understand Vedic Maths, just put your hands down. எனக்கு Vedic Maths புரிஞ்சிருச்சு அப்படின்றவங்க hands down. கட்டாயமா magic fingers திருப்பி சொல்லி தருவோம். Yes.
Muttamil?
We appreciate your interest.
Muttamil, what is your doubt?
Is there any doubt in Vedic Maths? Anybody?
Muttamil.
Selvi, could you see anyone lifting their hands? I have to proceed. No. Yeah. So that is all from 9, last from 10. You will get a worksheet on that so that you can practice and come back to us next week. We have same time. We have another session, right? So you can ask me. So let's move on to the next topic. Are you all ready for the next topic? Yes, the next topic is base 10 multiplication, which is very interesting, which helps you to learn tables. We all, of course, 9th standard children வரைக்கும் இங்க இருக்கீங்க. So உங்களுக்கு வந்து maybe 12 tables வரைக்கும் ஈஸியா இருக்கலாம். But அதுக்கு மேல நான் எப்படி tables படிக்கிறது அப்படின்னா here is the answer. So ஒழுங்கா கவனிக்கணும். புரியாட்டினா புரியலன்னு சொல்லணும். That is your child nature. ஒரு டீச்சர் நடத்துறாங்க ஒரு கிளாஸ்ல ஒரு கான்செப்ட். It can be anything. It can be math, English, science, anything. Vedic Maths, magic fingers, என்னவா இருக்கலாம். எந்த ஒரு குழந்தை எனக்கு புரியலன்னு கையை ரைஸ் பண்றியோ அப்ப நீ படிக்க ஆரம்பிச்சிட்டன்னு அர்த்தம். சில பேரு நம்ம எல்லாரும் ஐயோ நான் எனக்கு மட்டும்தான் புரியலையோ யாருமே கை உயர்த்தலையே nobody has raised their hands. How can I raise my hand ன்னு நினைச்சேன்னா you are the loser. Okay, so if you don't understand anything, be bold to ask questions to your teacher. The teacher is meant for that. She's your mentor, right? She has to clarify your doubts. So எந்த ஒரு கிளாஸ்லயுமே ஸ்கூல் கிளாஸ்னாலும் சரி doubts oda proceed பண்ணீங்கன்னா you cannot get good marks. So that is my advice, and there are lots of things to talk about studies. We'll do it later. So base 10 என்னன்னா what is 12 into 13? How many of you know the answer for this and how much time you need to do this? எவ்வளவு நேரம் வேணும் இது பண்றதுக்கு? Maybe 2 minutes, 3 minutes? How much time you want? Yeah. 20 seconds. Can Shiva Ganeshan, can you put the answer now? 150 Zaradana, that's fantastic, fantastic. Okay, so how do you do this? The answer is 156. How do I arrive at this answer? பார்த்தோன்னா ஆன்சர் எழுதுறது தான் வேதிக் மேக்ஸ். வேதிக் மேக்ஸ்ல ஸ்டெப்ஸ்லாம் கிடையாது. நம்ம பார்த்தோன்னா ஆன்சர் சொல்லணும். How many of you ready with that kind of speed? So Vedic Maths படிக்கிறவங்க மட்டும்தான் ஸ்கிரீனிங் எக்ஸாம்ஸ்லாம் பாஸ் பண்ண முடியும். ஸ்கிரீனிங் எக்ஸாம்னா எப்படின்னா செகண்ட்ஸ்ல வந்து இப்படி ஆன்சர் பண்ணி போகணும். மேத்தமேட்டிக்ஸ் ஆப்ஷனல் டிக்கிங் ஆன்சர்ஸ் கொடுத்துருப்பாங்க. ஓகே, 100 சம் கொடுத்துருப்பாங்க. ஆப்ஷனல் டிக்கிங் ஆன்சர் கொடுப்பாங்க. அந்த இடத்துல போய் நீ ஒர்க் அவுட் பண்ணிட்டு இருக்க முடியாது. So those who know only Vedic Maths can succeed in screening examinations. என்னால ஒழுங்கா கவனிங்க. 156. இப்ப இந்த ஆன்சர் எப்படி வந்துச்சுன்னு பார்க்கலாம். So keep 12 as it is and add the 3, which gives you 15. First answer வந்துருச்சா? 12 plus 3 எவ்வளவு? 15. Okay, and this 6, how will you get? You take this 3, you take the 2 and take the 3, that is 2 into 3 is equal to 6. So the answer is 156. So first step வந்து என்னது? 12 எடுத்துட்டு first அப்படியே அந்த நான் கொடுக்கிற the first number அப்படியே வச்சுட்டு second numberல இருக்க more than 10 என்னது? 3 அதை add பண்ணணும். More than 10 is 3 in the second number and you get the answer as 15. And the second step, first வந்து add பண்றோம். Second step வந்து more than 10 எவ்வளவு இருக்கோ அந்த ரெண்டு நம்பரையும் எடுத்து multiply பண்ணா total answer கிடைக்கும். You will get the full answer as 1, 5 and 6. Okay, got it? We do another sum. So இதுல வந்து first உங்களுக்கு வந்து என்ன தெரியணும்னா 12 is how much more than 10? அது உங்களுக்கு கட்டாயம் தெரியணும். How much more than 10? 2 more than 10. 13 is how much more than 10? 3 more than 10, right? So you should know this. 19 is how much more than 10? 9 more than 10. Okay, if you understand this, you can do this problem. Let's see. Let's do another problem. Okay. Can you answer this? Yeah, Shantanu is right. I'm looking at your answers. Yeah, that's right. Fantastic. You got it. Most of you got it. Okay, so now let's check if anybody needs help more. So those who didn't understand can raise your hands up. Put your hands up. Yeah, Harita, Sai. Harita can speak now. Harita, I need your video. Pradeep, unmute them. Yeah, can you tell me what you want? Yes, Enna Purila, Surabhi, Sai.
Ma'am,
Yes.
I just want to know, like, you told for 14 and 12 and 14 and 13, like, till 15 you told. Like, I need to ask, like, after 15, like, if I want to know about 15 into 17. Like, there is not, the sum is not coming, like, using this technique, no.
Yeah, it will not come because I didn't teach you that. We will take that to the next week if you can wait till next week.
Yes. Thank you.
I think the time is getting over now. And yes, I'm here to teach you. Maybe next week we will look for greater numbers. And yes, that's a good question. You cannot do problems if it's going to be like this. It's going to be 15 into 16 is equal to 17 into 18 equal to. You can't do the method which I taught you. This method can be, if you get the multiplication as a single number, 5, 6, or 30 becomes now 2 digits. 7, 8 are, it's a 2 digits. So when you get a 2 digit, when you multiply, then how do you do that is a different kind set of problems. But this kind, now what I have given is simple problems like, 12 into 12, you can get the answer. You can apply my method for this. Even 14, 14 into 13, I don't think you can apply. So let us see in the next class, or I don't know whether I can, I have time still, Pradeep Kumar. Do we have time?
No, ma'am. Actually, we have to give some time for question and
We are
answer.
running 10 minutes more, right?
Yeah.
Or shall I finish this for children? We don't have to leave them wait.
We need some time for the question session.
Can you be with me for another 5 minutes, children, so that we see one problem of the question which is raised by, I don't know, Harita or Surabhi or whoever it is. So I teach you how to do this, but don't get confused because we are going to continue with that next week as well. So let me do one problem of that. Now let's see how do we do 14 into 13. So 14 into 13. 14 into 13, getting the first answer is easy. That is, you keep 14 as it is and add the 3 to it. You keep the first number as it is and you will add to the 3. That is how much more. So it gives you 17. The first answer is fine. Okay. The second answer will be 4 and the 3 comes down and you're going to multiply, isn't it? I'm going to multiply 4 to 3, which gives you a 2-digit answer. So you cannot write 12 here as the answer, which is wrong. You can get only 3-digit answer. When you multiply base 10 in base 10, the answer must be in 3 digits only. So what should I do now? I should add the 1 here and take the 2 here. And I have made the 12 like this. Can you see? The 12 is written in a crossway. Yes? Now, how do you do this? The answer is 182. Got it? You want one more problem? Yes, we'll do that and finish. Okay, let's do 15 into 16. Equals, what is 15 plus 6? What is the first answer? Type it on the chat. Let me see that. 15 plus 6 is?
240.
21. 6 5s are 30. So you're going to add this 3 and 0, and answer would be, so the answer would be 240. Right? You got it? Are we okay? Or else, don't worry. We are going to continue with this next week. Hope you understand. Did you understand? Even if you don't understand, don't worry. We have 1 more hour next week. Maybe if time permits, I can make it a little more next week. So don't miss the class next week. I could see you're all happy. Are you all happy? Vedic maths is very simple. I have taught you only 2 methods. There are lots more to learn, and Vedic maths is like an ocean, right? So we have learned only 2 methods. Maybe next week I'll ask Mr. Pradeep Kumar to shorten his talk, and we can do more of Vedic maths, right? You like Vedic maths? Give a thumbs up. It is very helpful for children who are in higher standards, and it is very helpful even for the lower standards because they start studying Vedic maths at an younger age, which is good for the right brain activation as well as speed in math. So parents, I request all your children to be present next week, the same time, same day, Saturday, same time. And we will have the session started very soon for Vedic maths next week so that I can cover most of the topics. And if still you're interested, you can contact us for more Vedic maths practice. Okay? And thanks all for being with us. And now let's get into question answer session. There are lots of children who have raised hand. It's okay, Anandavan and Mr. Preetham, I would like to answer all the questions of the children and then we'll close the session. Now the Q&A starts. Any child who wants to ask me anything, you are welcome.
Yeah, Surabhi can ask. Surabhi, you're on. Your mic is on. Or Shangit.
Yeah, those who want to leave, if you don't have any question, you can leave. Thank you very much again. But those who have questions, stay back. We are ready to answer your queries. I love children.
How was your session? Have you enjoyed the session?
Ma'am, can you tell how to do hand magic?
Magic fingers? You want to learn magic fingers?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, we will have the same session next week as a starting session. No worries. But you will be getting a Google form. Maybe I will fastly show you what is it. So the right hand stands for ones and the left hand stands for tens. Right hand, close your fingers and 1, 2, 3, 4. And this is 5 in school. But in BrainCarve, this thumb alone takes the value of 5. That is the magic here. So 5 plus 1, 6, 5 plus 2, 7, 5 plus 8, 5 plus 4. And that gives the 9 numbers in the right hand. This is 2, 4, 5, 7, 9. Okay. So 7 is 5, 6, 7, 5. Remember, your thumbs place the value of 5. So that is the change here. So 9 means this. So 9 minus 1 means you go from the little finger. Addition is from the index finger. So 9 minus 2 minus 5 minus 1 plus 3 plus 5. The answer is 9. Again. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That's it. And the left hand is for tens. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. This is 44, 55, 66, 77, 88, 99. Children, if you're really interested in magic fingers, we can do it again next week. No worries. And we can extend the program for those who need it for more classes. Okay. We want to join for more sessions. Yes, with Ananda Vigadan, we can do it further. No worries. Have sessions, more sessions. And any more questions? Those who have put hands raised, please talk. end. So Ravi, Deepti,
Ma'am,
yes?
ma'am, you told you will give homework, no, ma'am.
Yes, it will come to your link. I mean,
In which,
ID.
ma'am?
You have given the ID to Ananda Vahadan, yes?
Yes.
So those people will send you after
Okay.
we send them. So you have to wait for at least another 1 or 2 hours to get your paper in Google form to practice.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Yes.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah, next. Yeah, Harini, Pritish, what's your question?
Ma'am, only for 2 days for the Vedic math class, ma'am.
Yes, we have one.
Yes, you have the class on Saturday, next Saturday, same time, 6 to 7 p.m. Indian time. Okay?
Only for 2 days.
You want for more? Yes, I appreciate that. We will discuss this in the next week. When can we have the next class? Okay? We can continue, Pritesh.
Okay, ma'am.
Thank you. Yeah. Any more? Galaxy Tab A, is that your name? Galaxy Tab A? What's your question? Yeah, they're not talking. Yeah. Yep. You can talk. Okay. Preetham, if they don't have any questions, I think we can wind up the session. Thank you very much, Preetham, for giving us an opportunity.
Thank you very much, ma'am. That was a very fun session, and I'm sure that all the students have enjoyed this. Students, have you enjoyed? You want to show the clap? How you do the clap? Perfect. So let us meet next week, same time, with the same theme. Until then, please be safe and always wear mask if you step out, or else stay at home and study well. And please do your homework, and we will share the Google Sheet to your registered email IDs. If you are not, if you haven't received the Google Sheet, then you can email us to rsvp@wigaden.com. I'm typing it in the chat. If you don't receive the Google Sheet by Tuesday morning, then please email us and we will share the Google Sheet. Our email ID is rsvp@wigaden.com. Thank you very much, ma'am. Thanks, Pradeep. So
Thank you, sir.
we will
Thanks so much.
meet
Thank
next week.
you. Bye-bye, children.
Thank you.
See
Good
you
day. Bye-bye.
next week. Bye-bye.